Blessed Sunday, everyone. It's July 28, 2024, and it's a beautiful Sunday morning, of course. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na nasa buhay natin at siyempre doon sa mga kasama nito, mga pagsubok and challenges and trials, which makes our life beautiful, wonderful, and exciting. At siyempre doon sa mga taong tumulong sa atin during our trials and doon sa mga taong nakikimarites lang din po doon sa paligid natin, pasalamatan din natin sila. Shoutout nung kay Glenda, kay Pucci, kay Margie Crane, kay Cecil Bores, kay Mama Lu, Luis and Sassy, Henry Carlim, Andana Medina, Jordan and Judith Sasil, Janet Banaag, and Aldin Calvadores ng Malay-Balay Bukidnon, Joel and Hani Pistolanti, kay Michael Lumongo and Michelle Lumongo, kina Ruby Cortez, Elizabeth Ibarra, Mapil Andres, Gima David, Inday Araso, Aide Villamero, Richelle Pastolero, at kay Edsmel. Peoples of the day natin po is, nobody is perfect, not the children, and especially not the parents. Understanding and accepting one's imperfection is the best and only way to understand our children's behavior. So keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed Sunday, everyone.